You want to start?
Same way we did last time.
Same way?
Yeah.
Alright. Jason has decided to let me open them because I don't know why.
Consistency.
Consistency, he says. Oh, you got the same dice?
Alright.
Alright, let's see. This is the land.
Will be the same land.
Yeah. The same.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. We'll just scoot the lands over.
Go fast.
Yep. We're not going to do as many commons this time. We're really going to... Cat. Doctor. So the rares on these will be at the back. And the rares on those will be at the front. Got a land for the first one. And here you go.
So there's one of those for each
color combo.
Yeah.
Oh man, the art card looks good though. Crypt Collar Chariot with cats. Anime cats.
Whenever you discard one or more cards, create that many tapped 2/2 black zombie creature tokens. Crew 2.
Mm-hmm.
You seen that one? That's one.
Yep, we did see that one earlier. The Ready Rocket Engineer.
Oh, there's a guy that got haste or something.
Its power is equal to the greatest mana value among artifacts you control. When it enters or attacks, choose target artifact card in your graveyard. You may sacrifice an artifact. If you do, return the chosen artifact to the battlefield.
Oh, it's an artifact bring back.
Yeah, that's really, really good.
I need that from my friend deck.
You do need that in your Infinity deck for sure.
It's hard to bring artifacts back.
It is.
There's something called some chimes, but I think it's enchantments, not artifacts.
There's some stuff in my Voltron deck that I can show you that brings artifacts back.
Yeah, I like bring any card back.
I like bringing any card back too, but Glory's Past. Start your engines.
Max speed. When a non-token creature you control dies, create a tap black 2/2 zombie creature token. Yeah.
They're really trying to bring zombies back and goblins. There's a whole bunch of goblins, zombies.
I don't think zombies will ever go away.
Oh, of course not.
That's the whole point.
That's the whole point.
of a zombie, man. You gotta chop your head off, man.
Here you go. We've been sitting on these cards for almost a week. Tomorrow would have been a week that we've been sitting on these. waiting to get together to open them together. Oh, here's that art that was on the back of that art.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, on the back of the insert.
Yep. Yeah, that one right there. It's good.
By the way, I saved this. So yeah.
Oh, one class Merfolk Wizard.
Exhaust cards. Oh, you got that's a Morpho deck.
You got two of the Gear Hulks though so far.
Apocalypse Runner. Those
Turn it down.
turkeys you control with power. 2 or less gains lifelink until end of turn. It can't be blocked this turn. Apocalypse Runner. Keep your eye out for the Apocalypse Runner.
Apocalypse Runner?
Yeah.
I will keep my eye out for Apocalypse Runner.
I don't mean in the cards. I mean on the battlefield.
On the battlefield?
Yeah, watch out. You might see Apocalypse.
Regal Imperiosaur. Other dinosaurs you control get +1/+1. It's a 3-cost 5/4. They give other it's a 3-cost 5/4 anthem for dinosaurs. What? I want that card. Need to add it to my dinosaur deck. Okay, get me one. I'm gonna have to pick me up one of them. For sure.
You going down to the Piggly Wiggly?
Yeah.
Pick you up one of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick me one of them up.
This is a Jaguar. It's cool.
Engine Rat. Very good and limited. If you see them, draft them. Use Patrol. Quag Feast. Choose target creature, planeswalker, or vehicle. Mill 2 cards, then destroy the chosen permanent if its mana value is equal to or less than the number of cards in your graveyard. Alright, we're feasting. That was all of them. There you go.
Sounds good.
We're going to move on to the finish line bundle after we move these packs and stuff out of the way. AetherDrift Finish Line Bundle.
So only the regular bundle came with the insert?
Yep.
Really? Oh, but this
You
came
guys,
with stickers.
you came with stickers and the
same exact dice.
same exact dice.
Okay.
Alright, so we're not going to open this because we know what's in here.
Yeah.
You want to save your box topper and your collector boosters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. So we're just opening the 6 play boosters.
That's really disappointing.
Yeah.
The stickers are
They're like cheaping you out at every...
consolation, I guess.
Alright, let's see. We got the Thopter. We got the Lumbering World Wagon. These are definitely not as fun to open. These packs.
They're right-handed. It's a right-handed one.
That is a very cool looking card. Cloud Spire Cycle.
That is a very cool one. You know what? That's the alt art. I think we've been playing with that.
You got another one of these Merfolk? Second one you got.
I only knew somebody that liked Merfolk.
Yeah.
The Merfolk guy will get traded in immediately. Hopefully that's worth a lot.
I got one of the alt arts in this guy.
Oh, that guy's awesome.
He is. Sorry for bumping the camera right there. I just threw your screen all around. And cut that out. We got another. I like these lands. I feel like some of your packs have been pretty lackluster, buddy. I'm sorry. That's the way it goes.
It's the name of the game.
It is. I mean, anything is lackluster after seeing a $370 card. Until you get these. Here you go. Get the Bulwark Arcs. That looks cool. You know what it kind of reminds me of? The art kind of reminds me of Where the Wild Things Are.
Oh, the book? Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that story.
Camera launcher.
Yeah, that's a great story. Was it kid gets sent to bed early without dinner?
Yeah, and goes to Where the Wild Things Are.
Yep. That's what happened. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You got I think you got all of the lands. Yeah. All right. That'll do it. I'll bring us to a close. That was very fun.